String stitch is a remarkable stitching method that has its origins in India, where it's known as pagadi. It's commonly used to hold down small mirrors in intricate fabric designs, or it can be used for decorative effects such as filling leaf-like shapes with elongated stitching. It comes in two forms, outlines and fills, and can be applied to open or closed shapes. Decorative swirls. With string stitch outline, you can quickly create swirls like these. Here we see how to create interesting swirls by breaking apart spiral stitch and applying string stitch to the result. These can be used, for instance, to create beautiful ornamental borders. Here we use it in a custom motif run. Teardrops and scallops. Use string stitch outline to create decorative scallops like this. These too can be used singly or in custom motif runs. Remember, you can use the Edit Reverse Curves command to change motif orientation. Here is another way you can use string stitch with open runs. These objects too can be combined to create ornamental borders. For better productivity, package prepared objects like this as custom motifs. With the Use Motif tool, place and orientate them as you wish. Embroidered tufts. With string stitch fill using partial coverage, you can create interesting decorative circular and square embroidery tufts for individual placement or as part of a border. By moving the endpoint, you can manipulate orientation of the partial coverage. Objects like these can also be used singly or in custom motif runs. Mirror and sequin holders. Used like this, string stitch outlines and fills can be used to create mirror or sequin holders like these. Again, these can be used singly or in custom motif runs. Swirling rotors. Very simple objects like the half circle using string stitch outline can be packaged as custom motifs to create swirling rotor design elements. Combining string stitch elements. The Use Motif tool is very useful for accurate placement of design elements. Custom motifs used in combination with Motif Run provide a fast way to create ornamental borders. In addition to custom motifs, you can make use of the clip art library to save swirls and other design elements. These can be recycled in different designs. And of course the mirror merge tools are ideal for quickly duplicating and mirroring whole sections of designs, guaranteeing perfect symmetry. Really, the only limit with string stitch, used in combination with custom motifs and mirror merge tools, is your imagination.